North Valley Forge, show you what we're on to way today, and it's Valentine's Day tomorrow, lads, so don't forget. So what we're doing today is making some panels, going over to America these, so made some daffodils, they're going over. We've got some roses, so we've got these oval panel, look a bit naked without leaves, I haven't put leaves on them yet. But what we do is, if you look, there's a bit of 8mm round bar, it's been through texture machine, and basically we put a bit of a texture on that to make it look a bit more mottled and battered, so it looks a bit like rose bar. So I've got some 6mm here, just got to put this down to a point. That right down to a point, a bit quick. And what we're doing is, we've got some of these rose kits. I'm just going to bob this on here, right sharply. Right, I'm going to put head on, and stick that on there like that. I'm just going to tap that on. Get the lid on. And I'm just going to put him up there and get him sort of in between middle bit so they're overlapping right. Get a bit of a tap on that. Other side. Great. So we've got these here. We'll fold them over. We've got a rose head and a stem, and what I've got to do, very quick, is obviously we've got these leaves here. I'm just going to put a bit of life into the leaf, a bit of an hammer, and then what we do is just on edge. Just so it looks like the flower head's coming out at the rose. Put a bit of a tap on that. Do the same again with another one here. So we've got large leaves, medium, small leaves there. Another bit of a basher on that. Put this on the other side, just underneath it. Right. We'll tap that on. Couple of little ones, get some little ones on. Just bend that over a bit. So it's pointing out there like that. Further down stem, and we can move stem a bit, just give it a bit of a tweak. So that it's not just straightforward, and we can move that a little bit, give it a little bit more life. So, you get general gist of what we're on with today, because it's Valentine's Day. So, competition time, eh? We'll get 5 of these, not 1, not 2, but 5 of these going away to all you lucky people that like and share it this week. So, you can give them to your girlfriends, or your girlfriends can give them to your other girlfriends, your boyfriends can give them to your boyfriends, whoever you want to give them to. Give them to your mother, I don't care. But 5 giving away, we're going to do them, bit of paint on them. How's them for your apples? Lovely duper. Right, quick shot, come down here and embarrass this glass. Come here. Love is in the air, every sight and every sound. Check it out. Ashley's getting a new fella on. And there she is, she's running out the door, she's getting some flowers and everything. Oh, God bless you. Anyway, see you next week, Bob Swift, see you.